Forward proxy. A forward proxy is the most common form of a proxy server and is generally used to pass requests from an isolated, private network to the Internet through a firewall. Using a forward proxy, requests from an isolated network or intranet can be rejected or allowed to pass through a firewall. Reverse proxy. Reverse proxies are used to protect a web server's identity and to increase performance, security, and reliability. They can also help increase scalability and resilience. Reverse proxies transparently handle all requests for resources on destination servers without requiring any action on the part of the requester. Reverse proxies are used to enable indirect access when a website disallows direct connections as a security measure, to stream internal content to Internet users, to disable access to a site, for example when an ISP or government wishes to block a website. Sites might be blocked for more or less legitimate reasons. Reverse proxies may be used to prevent access to immoral, illegal, or copyrighted content. Sometimes these reasons are justifiable and sometimes they are not. Reverse proxies sometimes prevent access to news sites where users could view leaked information. They can also prevent users from accessing sites where they can disclose information about government or industry actions. Blocking access to such websites may violate free speech rights.